and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, today is the fourth day, like the fourth episode I would say, of 5 weeks of top 5, where this is the series where I actually share my top 5 or top 5 favorite products with you all on Wednesdays. So like these 5 weeks I'm gonna upload every Wednesday, and you're gonna see me in this outfit and this makeup because this is the series that's going on. And yeah, so in today's video I'm gonna share with you my top 5 palettes. Yeah, so these are some of my eyeshadow palettes, and they also contain base products, and obviously you can use palettes and you can use all the makeup products in a multitasking way. So I'm gonna show you my top 5 palettes, and before that let me just tell you, if you're new here, hi, I'm Shivakshi. I post beauty lifestyle related content. I do vlog also, and if you like that kind of content, please do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for being there and for supporting me throughout. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Now all the palettes I'll show you are super affordable, and they have a really nice shade range. The pigmentation of them are amazing. So let's just get started with the first one. The first one I have is the Nykaa's 10-in-1 Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette, and this palette contains 10 shades, which has lighter shades, it has transition colors, it also has shimmers, and the shimmers are pretty damn pigmented and they're pretty good. And it also has a sponge applicator, which is amazing. So yeah, this palette is really nice, and the price of it is $5.99, which is not bad at all. $5.99 you get 10 eyeshadows, and I think so I've created a number of looks with this, so that is why it is in my top 5. Alright, so the next palette that I have is by Makeup Revolution, and this is the Reloaded palette. I think so like these two are in my favorites. Okay, so these, just the shades of them are different, but still I had to include these both. You haven't seen me create a lot of looks with this, but I use it a lot off camera, so it is just amazing. And both of these cost for $9.50, which is not bad at all. You get a really good variety of shade ranges, and the pigmentation of it is to the point. There's no fallout, there's really less fallout, and yeah, it's really nice. Next I have my legendary Tammy Into Revolution palette. I don't think so I need to speak about this because oh my god, it has 23 shades and it costs for $19.50. Now it is on sale on Nykaa, so you can just get it for like $9.50, which is pretty affordable. And yeah, I love this product as well. I have no words to speak about this. This is like a must have, and it has all the shades you would ever need. I mean, I would never get another palette if I wouldn't have started a YouTube channel, because it is like everything. And yeah, so that's really nice, and the fallout is really nice, pigmentation to the point. Last but not least, we have the You Make Me Blush Contour and Highlight palette by Cuffs and Lashes. Now Cuffs and Lashes is a new brand that was launched this year, but still they did awesome. And look at this shade, you guys. I mean, I'm soon going to do a review on Cuffs and Lashes products, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel and stay tuned for that. But yeah, this shade range and everything is to the point, you guys. I think so you'll love it. And it has like 3 blushes, 3 highlights, 3 bronzers, and 16 eyeshadows, which makes it a full face palette. And this is quite affordable as well. Currently it is on $9.50, which is again very affordable, and the pants are quite huge, and it is a completely made in India product. How cool is that? And the brand owner is Indian, and she's really hard working. So yeah, the Cuffs and Lashes palette. And I think so I'm running short on battery, so I need to hurry up. And yeah, all the products are, the pricing is great, guys. The pigmentation is great. The shade range, the shade variety the palette provides you are really nice, and I'm paying a lot of and it's a lot of hard work to make this series. So yeah, if you like this video, and with this we're done with the video. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, you guys, please. And do comment down below on what topics you'd like to see my videos on, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye guys.